This is Hans the Ramen Rainer coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, wow, gosh, got one from South Korea. This is a chicken stir-fried chicken noodle with spicy soy sauce. It also mentions that there is artificial beef and chicken flavor, which might seem kind of weird, but then again, it might not, because the Nissan Cup Noodle Pumpkin Spice one had garlic in it. But there is logic abounding wherever you go, so it's not like it's kind of weird, but probably not. But there you go. So how are you today? I hope you are well. Sincerely, I hope you are well. If you're not, please send a self-addressed stamped envelope to me, P.O. Box me, and then the state is Maine, which is, I think that's me. And I don't think that's gonna help. But me says 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Me has been getting very, very hot under the collar lately about certain situations in the universe. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's right. I got into this special. So there's the Ramen Junkies Facebook group, right? Well, there's this group for admins. It's like invite only to be in this group of admins that are on Facebook. And Facebook administers that group. It's called like power user, power admins group, and blah, blah, blah. There's weird stuff in there. Like they're talking about getting Meta Community certified, and you can get a voucher so you don't have to pay to become a certified. It's like, what? I don't know. That's like deep state right there. I don't know, but it's very odd. It's like, because Facebook groups are just like hobbyists and people, and I don't know. I wonder what the certification gets you though. That's the whole thing. Nobody will say, "Oh, I'm getting certified." Why? What's the point of doing that? Well, you get different features. Oh, does it like give you like 10,000 more people to your group? Are they interested in being in your group? What do you? I don't get it. Why would anybody want this thing? And I just haven't gotten an answer for that question yet, and it drives me nuts. I just want to know. Here's our little. That's a big noodle block. But yeah, I'm guessing I will figure out why one would do that. I guess the exam takes an hour and 45 minutes. It's like, then you can be like Meta Community Manager accredited. And it's like, is this to work at Facebook? I didn't see anything like that. I don't want to spend $100. I guess this month there's a free voucher. But nobody will answer my questions. It's like, what kind of freaking secret society, weird, funky, yeah, do this, you should do that because this and that maybe. I'm baffled. But we'll get to the bottom of this. Rest assured. Yeah. Right, guinea pigs? I think they're in mourning. Have you ever heard about how like elephants will mourn the loss of another elephant for like, is it days, weeks? It might be even years. I don't know. Different animals do different things. We saw one of our guinea pigs. My wife noticed when our guinea pig Louise died yesterday, and they're just usually just bopping around. She didn't show any signs of like being under the weather or anything off or not right. And yeah, it sucks. I'm like, I don't know. I never thought I would get as attached as I did to guinea pigs as I have, but they're really neat little animal people. I like them. I really do. And that's my special info for you about how I feel about guinea pigs. But that being said, yeah, I wonder how they mourn the loss of another guinea pig, because Betty was like just sitting next to her and just had this kind of like look, like almost meek appearance. So this is supposed to take what? You gotta keep out 3 teaspoons of water. I figured it out now. I figured it out. So now I need to take out 3 teaspoons of water. Is that a tisp? That's a tisp. Now, once this is done, we'll drain it, add this to it, put it back on the heat for really not very long at all. It says 30 seconds. And then, yeah, add the goo. Alright, so now we drain. Ow. Drain. Putting back on the heat. Adding our liquid. Adding our liquid sachet content. Trying not to burn the noodles. God dang. Ouch. Set for 30 seconds, but I don't want to let this sit long enough to give it. It smells pretty good. Oh, that sucked it all up real quick. All right, let's give this a try. The noodle looks very, very burly. Look at that. Definitely has a nice thick gauge. But I'm curious about, it says spicy soy. I'm almost getting a Bulldogian kind of aroma. I don't know what else to call it. It's rather nice. It's not very strong as far as the heat goes, but it's reasonable. That is reasonable. Come to my house. I will give you reasonable food. Yeah. Lay off me. I just walked for 2 hours and it was 80 outside and I'm feeling a little rummy and thirsty. Alright. So So last time I used the little cup method to deal with a noodle like this. But this time, I'm just gonna fork it in. Let's fork it on in. Here we go, we're forking it in. Come on, fork. Come on, Forky. Forky fig. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Hey. I don't know about this one. Are you guys into cart narcs? I'm like absolutely into cart narcs. Skadaboo! Oh, come on. The cart doesn't go there. It goes over here. The guy like harasses these people who are leaving their shopping carts, aka shopping trolleys, in places where they don't go, instead of taking them back to the cart returns. And sometimes they just get unhinged. You're like, I don't feel like it. It seems there's like a real theme of a lot of people who don't bring their cart back. They're just real jerks. You gotta take your cart back. Are you that lazy? Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Take the cart back. But yeah, he like goes around in like all sorts of places and demands that people put away their shopping carts. I think it's absolutely amazing content, and I think he should get like some kind of wonderful award for what he's doing. He's making sure people's cars don't get bumped by rogue shopping carts. Yeah, put your cart away, jerk. Put your cart away, jerk. Wow, well that's it for me. It's 11:30 a.m. This kitchen is probably gonna go up about, 20 degrees more pretty quick. I'm turning the light off. I don't need no shelfie light. They're warming up. Alright, this has been Odds the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I think probably the next few are probably gonna be Japanese varieties. I don't know. I gotta dig through what I got and organize and yeah. Alright. Enjoy, subscribe, like, tell your friends, punch the munchkin. Have a good one. Bye-bye.